Welcome! In front of me is a Tecno-Pova 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, like so, and this will bring out a bunch of toggles, and then you want to swipe down right here to extend the list of visible toggles. Now we are looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible right over here. Once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it, disregard the send message, and this will take you to the settings. And here you can customize the mode. There is not very many options here, but you do have things like, for instance, schedule option. If you enable it, you can actually customize it, though we can only have one schedule right here, unfortunately. And we also have things like calls, notifications, and app notifications. Once you set it all up, you can close this, and you don't ever have to go back to the settings. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle and simply tap on it this time around. And once you're done with it, you can tap on it once more to turn it off. And in here, there is no option to actually turn off the mode automatically, outside of just maybe selecting a schedule that would run for 1 minute every day, which would help you if you tend to forget about things like, for instance, Do Not Disturb modes running. Otherwise, obviously, once you enable it, it will run indefinitely till you remember to turn it off. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.